Hostinger offers coupon codes for customers to buy a hosting plan at the best price possible, and you may have noticed these mentioned in our other Hostinger Academy videos. Today, I'll show you how to redeem a Hostinger coupon code so you get the best deal there is. By activating a coupon code, you'll get an extra discount from the total price, potentially saving up to 90% in total. For people just starting with Hostinger, I'll show an example of applying our coupon code in the checkout process. Make sure to check out the description below this video for the latest coupon code that you can apply to get 10% discount upon purchasing any hosting plan. Visit hostinger.com, then choose Web Hosting. Find the plan that fits your needs and budget, then click Add to Cart. I'll go with the business plan as our example. From here, choose the billing date for your hosting package. Let's choose the 48-month subscription plan, as that will give you the best possible price, an extra 3-month subscription, and a free domain for 1 whole year. Log into your existing Hostinger account or create a new one by entering your email address. You can also use social login by connecting to either a Facebook or Google account. Continue by choosing a preferred payment method and fill in the required information. You'll see the total amount of your purchase. Click here, insert our coupon code, and hit apply. See how the total price got reduced? This means your coupon code has been successfully applied. Recheck your chosen hosting package, the information you've entered, and the total amount you'll have to pay. Once you're sure everything is correct, click Submit Secure Payment. Now, wasn't that simple? If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer you. Like and share this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss our website building tips and other tutorials. As always, thank you for watching and good luck on your online journey.